here we are on day 3 of Budget Truck Week. Hope you guys are enjoying this. I have an awesome budget truck coming in under $80. 4-wheel drive.
Nice.
Listen to that.
Sounds pretty good.
Brushed motor, but it sounds pretty good for a brushed motor. Obviously, proportional steering, proportional throttle.
Show us, do that again. Proportional steering. I want to see how you did that. You got a scratch there, Abby? I've never seen anybody use their elbow.
Like, what do you want me to do, Nate? I didn't have another hand. You can use it.
That's a sweet plane. Nice.
It's very difficult for me to do that like you do.
Yeah, I know. I can drive with one hand using my thumb.
This is completely ready to run. Everything you need to get it going is in the box. We will have it linked in the description box below. But the most important thing is, will this beat Nate's tank? It better, because I have, how many more? I think I have 4 more chances other than this one to beat Nate. So I'm hoping this starts out strong and this beats his tank and can conquer the hill.
No, I don't think so.
You don't think you can do the hill?
I don't think so. We'll see.
That's pretty fast.
It's fast, but that doesn't mean anything.
It's a beautiful fall day. Let's drive.
It's always nice to get a little asphalt test, make sure everything's trimmed up. Now, it is fast for a brushed motor. I did actually trim, or I didn't trim it up, but I...
range issues.
Range issues. Yeah. Oh no, those are new batteries too, by the way. Brand new. I put new batteries in there.
What about the wheelie?
Well, it's powerful.
But
I tightened up the wheel nuts before we came out to drive. So no matter what you guys see on our channel, we're never going to sugarcoat anything. If we have a range issue right out of the box, you're going to know about that. You know, if we battery issues or whatever, we want you guys to have a good experience in this hobby. So even though this is driving and it's fast, it does look like it has a, wow, that's fast.
That's fast for a
like $65 or something?
Let's take it on the...
Jeez. Were you even watching?
No. Let's take it down the straightway.
Okay, now you got to trim it up. It's veering a little bit.
I'm going to work on it.
Okay, definitely having range issues.
It's like a 20-foot range.
Nah, maybe 50 feet.
No, it's not.
Either way, that's not long enough.
No.
That's not long enough. For something going that fast, you don't want to have range issues like that. Well, let's do our best. Still in range?
It started
Barely?
going. It started going by itself. I got a
wow,
little
okay.
That
thing is fast.
So fast.
You're not even committing to the full speed
I'm
because...
not, because I'm worried it's going to keep going or something.
Woo.
That is fast and I'm out of range.
You're out of range. Look, let me show everyone. From here to there, and that is not far at all. Range issues. So I can confidently say, despite its vehicle performance, no matter what at this point, you're not going to beat the tank.
No,
right?
It's not going to beat the tank.
Yeah.
Now, if you pick this up, if you like the way it looks and you want to pick it up, even knowing that it's going to have range issues, you can always replace the receiver.
Yeah.
Right? Receiver and transmitter.
And normally, you know, we've had these transmitters on the channel before. They normally do good. Well, it's time to see if it can make it up the hill.
I'm going to have to like stand on the hill.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say. Yep, I want to meet you halfway up. My money's against this thing. Oh, no. I don't know if that's waterproof. No, Abby's got a, you know, we had to get some decent looking trucks for Budget Truck Week. They all had to be under $100 except for one on our list. And this one is just not up to par. Still, it's fun to get out here. Even with a bad RC, it's still fun. Here we go, here we go. Okay, she's going with a little bit slower of an approach now. Once this stops though, it's gonna have issues. You know, it's gotta keep up the momentum or it's not gonna make it up this hill. Kinda cool to take a little break from the, oh. I'm not in your way. I am crouched down and so stationary. It's been interesting to take a little break from my planes and jets. I'm missing them right now so bad. Oh, apparently I am in your way. Okay, I'm gonna do, look, I am sidestepping one time. Apparently I was in her way, so let's see her make it up now. I'll bet it hits us. Oh, it's a shame about the range on this because it would be so much better of a truck if it didn't have range issues. I guess I was in the way. You stuck? Nope. All right, just a couple more shots here, Abby. Oh, hey, all right. Well, you know what? I am really surprised. I am surprised. I didn't think it. She said she didn't have range. Hey, good for you. Good for you. I'm impressed.
Well, since the receiver is already not so good, I'm gonna take it through some water.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
Puddle.
Now, just so you guys know, we're not here to trash this truck, even though it has receiver issues. We will probably pass this on to someone else for really cheap range issues, so that they can, you know, have an opportunity to put their own receiver in that. Is this still having issues? Nothing.
Or I just completely fried it.
Oh no.
Well, hold on. Is the on-off button on the bottom?
No, it's inside.
Uh-oh.
It does act like it's off. Well, let's take a look. That would be the quickest anything has ever died in the water, if that were the case.
I mean, it's really wet.
Yeah. Oh, Abby, did you kill a vehicle?
Sounds like it's back on.
Yeah, okay. Something happened there. Let's see if it'll still run. Don't take it in any more water. No slow motion for you guys. I don't want to we don't want to destroy anything, but we were going to, you ran into yourself. The balance lead is sticking out. So let's stop here so we don't completely damage this beyond having range issues. You see?
Or not.
It cut out again?
Yeah.
Oh man. Okay, transmitter is down. This thing is out cold. That means who's winning Truck Week so far?
Me.
So far. So far.
Me, I win everything.
No.
Nate is winning so far. Hit the subscribe button so you can see what we're doing tomorrow, to see if it's better than Nate's tank. Nate's tank is up here.
It's doing awesome.
All my stuff's down here.
Yeah.
Actually, like way down here.
Okay, let me back up. Where? Yeah, that's what I thought.
We had so much fun here on the TheRcSaylors channel. We hope to see you tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye!